Hi everyone, here is how to use a BuyClub code to charge a Morzine ski card. Now, the website that's being used to do the charging is the exact same website that Morzine used with all of their other clients, non-BuyClub clients, but it's not an intuitive website. So I would very strongly suggest, unless you already did this process many times before, that you take the 5-10 minutes to watch this video. It can help you, it can save you a lot of time. Every year we have folks who get to the resort, they leave the charging to the last minute or to the evening just before they go skiing, and then they have an issue on the process and they get stuck. They need to start spending hours with Morzine on the phone and their ski day is dead. So take the time, watch the video. I'm going to show you the exact process, but before that, quickly, I want to talk about the few very important points you need to know to ensure you don't get stuck. One, watch the video until the end. Two, charge your ski card now. Don't wait until the last minute. You can charge it now. You can then use the charged ski card whenever you want. You don't have to pre-commit now to a certain day. So just charge it now. You got nothing to lose. And then if you charge now when you have a problem, you got all the time in the world to contact the ski resort and get a solution. Three is an important point. Each ski card can have just one unused code on it. If you charge the ski card once and you didn't yet ski with that ski card, it has an unused code on it. Now, technically, you can then go to Leger system and charge a second or a third code on it. But if you do that, then all your codes will be lost. They won't work anymore. So ensure that you charge each ski card with just one code, and you don't charge more codes on that card until you actually used that card on the slopes. 4. Even if you're trying to charge for a few people, or you're trying to charge a few cards for yourself, just charge for one person at a time. You'll see you can select 2 or 3 people. Don't do it. It's a recipe for disaster. Do a charge for just one person, finish the full process, and then charge for other people. And when you're charging, if you're using a code, you'll have to select adult. I'll show you that in 2 seconds. And the last advice, if you can, we strongly suggest charge from a computer and not from a mobile. The website is not intuitive even when you use a computer. When you use a mobile, it's even less intuitive. So our advice, watch the video and then turn on your computer now at home, charge at least one of your ski cards so you have one charge and you know the process. All right, let's do the exact process. So on your voucher, there's a link to either the Morzine site, which I'm on, or to the Leger site. You can use either. They'll get you to something that looks like this. And here's what you need to select. Here you need to select Morzine Leger. Here you need to select 1 day. Here, because of the way the ski resort system is set up, you have to select a certain day, but that day is meaningless. You can still use the charged ski card any day you want, not just on the day you select. So just select any random day to progress on the process. And then the number of persons needs to be 1, and it needs to be adult. Adult is 26 to 64, so I'm going to do that. Even if you're charging for someone younger or older, the code will work only if you select adult and if you select 1. So that's it. Again, quick summary, Morzine Leger, 1 day, any day here, and 1 person adult. Get my price. Over here is just a summary of my order. It's Morzine Leger 1 day, buy now. Here it's asking me a few questions. First question is, what's my name? BuyClub, and my first name is Mr. And here I'm going to put just a random birthday. And here's the important question. Do I have a ski card? If you already have a ski card, do yes, and then you'll have to input your ski card number. If you say no, you do not have a ski card, then the system will sell you a ski card. You'll see the card price will go up to €3, and later on in the process, it will ask me how I want to get my ski card. I'll show you the process for what happens if I don't have a ski card. If you do have a ski card, just do yes and put that in. Insurance, I don't want, and I'm validating. All right. Here comes the area where you get the saving, promotion operation. Here I'm going to put my BuyClub voucher number, and then I'm going to press submit. If everything works well, then this part, the ski pass price, which is now €42, will drop to 0. This will still say 3. Let's see if that works. Yeah, perfect. So this dropped to 0 and we are good. Let's keep going. If you have an account, log in. If you don't, create an account. Now here's a very, very important point. Make sure and check this a few times that you put in here your right email address, because you will get a confirmation and a QR code by email. If you put in here the wrong email, you're not going to get what you need to get. I already have an account. Let's see if I can save time. All right, I'm in. So after you create an account, you will be over here. What do you see over here? You see that you got €3. Actually, what's important over here is this part, that you select how are you going to get your charged ski card. You got a few options. Option one is you're going to get it delivered to your house, sent by post. Of course, you can choose that, but I would recommend against it. You don't know how long it's going to take. It might get lost in the mail from France to Switzerland. It's a recipe for an issue. The other issue is to select to pick it up at the resort, and at the resort you have two options. Option one is to pick it up at the automatic machine at the Pleine Caisse. There's a machine there open 24 hours a day, and once you finish your order, you will get a QR code, and all you got to do is go to that machine, scan the QR code, and it will spit out a charged ski card. Option number two is not at the machine, but at the caisse in Pleine, which means you'll have to wait in line, and you'll have to wait at least 24 hours from after you finish this process for your charged ski card to wait for you at the caisse. I would suggest, if you can, go for the distributor. It's usually faster and simpler. And then I'm going to continue. And then I'm going to have to ask to pay. I won't show you the payment method, but there's two important things here. One, when you finish the process, you'll be shown a screen that says everything was successful. Unless you see that screen, there was a problem somewhere and your purchase didn't go through. The second thing is, after you finished your purchase, if you ordered a ski card, you're going to get an email from the ski resort with your QR code. And that's the QR code that you need to show at the resort, either to scan at the machine or together with an ID at the caisse to get that charged ski card. That is it. I hope this was helpful. Have a great ski day and go charge your card now. Don't wait. Ciao.